Angel is headed to work. I'm headed to get my first cup of coffee. Welcome back to my life of leisure. No plans for today. It's Sunday. I think I woke up at 10. Went back to sleep. Woke up at like 10:30. I woke up and just scrolled on my phone. No plans today. Have no idea. All right, well, I got my coffee. I was just chatting with a close friend of mine. So good, I needed this. I'm gonna sit down here and sip it because I may want to take another cup up. But 2 cups back to back. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Yes, I had no plans. I didn't have plans for anything, and we'll chat about my change and shift. Oh, they look so cute. Just got invited to like a kickback, so the music is going, and I want to learn to not get copyrighted, but we're gonna see. All right, y'all. So I sat on the rooftop, chatted to a couple of conversations, and just looking at my pictures, cleaning out my photo album, actually. Thank you, Lord. Pancake and eggs. Thank goodness I'm a very frugal person in certain places. I had just a little bit of batter left and I was gonna throw it away, but I was like, no, I'm gonna save it. And it was enough to make 1 jumbo pancake. So good, so good. So add pancake mix to my grocery list because I've gotten to where on Sundays, I like to take time and make a pancake. Or 2 or 3. And that's because during the week, I eat breakfast, but it's fast. It's egg bites, a protein shake, a bagel, sourdough toast. So I get to really take time to pause and put some love and effort and attention into my Sunday breakfast or brunch. Yep, so I'm gonna enjoy this and then I'll be back to tell you the plans for today. All right, I want to show y'all this little device. I definitely, oh goodness, let me fix the tripod. So I want to invest in laser hair removal. I have switched techniques. I was doing waxing, and actually I was minding my business, and I remember I was at a nail salon getting my nails done and my eyebrows, and it was the first time ever the lady was just like, I wax your chin, and she just did it. I didn't even have time to process it, and over with. My very first wax, it bumped up really bad, and the hair grew and you could see it, but I never had an issue with facial hair until I got waxed. So, and I was probably like 29, 30 when that happened. I hated it, but so since then I've been doing, I've tried waxing, Nair facial, Nair body, just hair removers. And then more recently, I picked this little Flawless device up. It's a little shaver. And so, yeah, I like it because it's just, it gets really close. It says go in circular motions. The key is to have a dry face. Don't have anything on your face. But I just do like this. and it's done, you know? Yeah. So what are y'all doing? I'm just letting the shower heat up, but I love Neutrogena makeup wipes. They are the coup de grace to me. And I slip in my makeup. And I do want to do a quick shave on my legs. And I used to love the Flamingo shaving cream, but they changed the bottle from this beautiful white, very clean looking bottle to like, I think a orange or some color, purple. And I just hated it. It just messed up my whole aesthetic. But I do love Flamingo razors. But I still like to say I bought EOS shaving cream for my legs and it sucks. But this is a shave bar by this company called Buff City Soap. Never tried them. I was actually gifted 3 of their products for volunteering at a fundraiser gala last month. So we're gonna try the shave bar. Yes, we are going to try the shave bar. The worst is taking off mascara. I hate it. What works really well, first of all, I'm not here to sell y'all nothing. I do not want to be an influencer that influences you to go out and spend unnecessary money. I'm just yapping now of what works for me. But Almay throwback, and it's biodegradable. These right here work so good for the eyes. The cotton rounds are not that soft, but maybe I'm just rubbing too hard. I just wish they were softer. Because sometimes when you get this product, eye remover product in your eye, it like, or at least for me, it leaves my vision blurry for a minute if it gets like in my eye. This doesn't do that. But anywho, I'll be back. Okay, I feel like I want to put clip-ins in and wear my hair down. So this is what I keep my clip-ins concealed in. When I was younger and a little more influenced by certain people that I would meet, I never forget my cousin married who we looked to be just like a black Barbie. She was well-spoken, very classy, and I knew she wore extensions. And I remember the first time I went into her home, like she had that sew-ins on lock. When sew-ins was like, oh my God, she's got a sew-in, you know. But I remember first time getting a tour of her home, and in her bathroom, you couldn't see a trace of Milky Way, Yaki, nothing, Indy Remy, and I just couldn't believe it. So my mom, my mom doesn't wear extensions, but my mom's just like, well, where do you keep your hair extensions? Like, there's no trace. And I remember she said, oh no, that is private. Like, you know, I value and cherish my extensions. I keep them put up. That is an investment. And I just remember that. And there's been moments to where I buy and I spend money on extensions. And yeah, like, I don't take care of them. You know, well, when I was younger, but now, like, I am in that same mind. And it's funny because she's probably, when she told me that, I'm sure she was like my age, 42, you know, give or take. But yeah, so my mindset eventually evolved to where, like, yeah, like extensions, clip-ins, like my repertoire, you know, is my investment. And so I just always remember that. So I try to take pride and be organized and have my hair put up, so if someone comes over, they're not like seeing tumbleweed, the weave floating through the house, you know what I mean? But okay, got the leave out. And I just did 3 big old plaits. And I am going to use just a little bit of castor oil. Just do drops. Not too many, because when your head heats up, definitely spreads. I put a little extra where my problematic areas are. And then I'll just do a little heat protectant on the sides. Up here in the middle. Let that dry. Okay, now we clip, and this is where it's just like trial and error. 4 clip, 3 clip, 2 clips, you know. So I know I never ever use these 4 clips, so I want to figure out where do they best need to go. And I'm thinking when I get up to the top. So we're gonna start with the 3 clip. Install. So anyone that thinks clip-ins are like super fast, no, you have to take your time. Yep. So this is it. I'm gonna get dressed now, but yeah, thanks for watching my install. See if I can get the back for y'all. Is my camera dirty? I think so. Hold on. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I like it. This is me, just very simple. Yeah, so I'm gonna do my edges with no product. I'm just gonna comb them down. They're pretty tame. Okay, y'all, we are rushing. This is the look, the house kickback. This is the face. Whew. Smell wonderful. And I bought some heels because I feel like I need to hang out tonight. Yeah, I feel like I need to hang out tonight. So this is gonna definitely be an older crowd, you know what I mean? And I wanna network more. And yes, I just bought some heels. And I'm gonna text 3 other girls that I met here and ask them if they're close by me, and maybe get up. Just gonna kind of wing it, but I'm off tomorrow, so I wouldn't say I'm trying to be outside, but I'm trying to be entertained and make the most of my night. We do have one fingernail lost in the battle. I got it in my pocket and I will put it on. Okay, let me get it together.
Use the right 2 lanes to take the exit to merge onto I-85 North toward Greenville.
Terrible lighting, but I got me a little snack pack. I hope they have some food here. I am hungry. It's 32 minutes away. Won't get there till 8:45. Hopefully I can still travel in.
Take the exit.
In daylight. I don't mind coming back in the dark, but going in the dark and coming back in the dark, that's too much for me. Too much for me. So it's gonna take her, excuse my munching, 45 minutes from where she's at, and for me it said 35 minutes. And I left out 10 minutes later than planned, so we should get there at the same time. Alright.
In 3/4 of a mile.
Alright, well, we're out here. Nope. This is the house. I don't know these people, y'all. I put my heels on. 'Cause I'm that girl.